When you search for best whole house water filters, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, A.O. Smith Replacement Filters. First up is the A.O. Smith 2 5x10 5-micron carbon wrap sediment water filter replacement cartridge. Priced at $18.99, this 2-pack caught my eye because it's a bestseller with a solid 4.7-star rating from over 1,200 reviews. If you want reliable performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's designed to reduce sediment from every tap in your home, which means cleaner water for drinking, cooking, and bathing. The 5-micron filtration effectively captures particles even smaller than what you can see, ensuring your water tastes and looks great. Plus, it's NSF certified, so you know it meets quality standards. Now, some people complained about the filter's longevity. They mentioned that they had to replace it every 3 months, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing, that's actually a normal lifespan for most filters. So if you're okay with regular maintenance for consistently clean water, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a small household looking for a dependable, budget-friendly solution. Skip this one if you're seeking a long-term, no replacement approach. At this price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the frequent replacement schedule bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Simpure Whole House Filter Housing. Next, we have the Simpure Whole House Water Big Filter Housing, which is priced at $59.99 and boasts a 4.4-star rating from nearly 2,900 reviews. This caught my attention due to its heavy-duty construction and impressive design. If you need a more durable housing solution, this one's worth considering. Its double O-ring design minimizes leaks, a common complaint with many other filter housings. Plus, the clear housing lets you see the filter's condition at a glance, so you can replace it before it becomes ineffective. However, some users reported difficulties during installation, especially if you're not handy. But I'll be real with you, if you follow the provided instruction manual, it's manageable even for a novice. For those less comfortable with DIY tasks, it may require some extra help. This is an excellent choice if you're looking for a solid long-term investment in your water system. Skip it if you prefer something more straightforward to set up. The build quality offers great value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for households with heavy sediment issues. Product number 3, Membrane Solutions String Wound Filters. Third on our list is the Membrane Solutions 5-micron 10x2 5 String Wound Whole House Water Filter Replacement Cartridge, priced at $32.98. It holds an impressive 4.7-star rating from over 5,100 reviews. If you're dealing with low-quality feed water, this is definitely worth your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This filter boasts 4 times the dirt-holding capacity of standard filters, allowing it to manage heavy sediment loads without clogging quickly. It effectively removes up to 99% of sediment and has a lifespan of 15,000 to 20,000 gallons, which could mean longer intervals between replacements. However, some reviews noted that it fits best in specific filter housings, which could limit your options. But here's the thing, if you have a compatible system, the performance you gain is well worth it. Just be sure to check compatibility before buying. This is perfect for you if your water source has significant sediment issues. Skip this one if you have a standard setup with minimal contaminants. For the price and performance, it's a solid investment for clean water. Now, if that compatibility concern is a deal breaker, you might want to check out what I have next. Product number 4, AquaBoon Sediment Filter. The fourth product is the AquaBoon 5-micron 10x2 5 sediment filter, priced at $23.21, with a stellar 4.7-star rating from over 5,500 reviews. I found this particularly appealing because of its universal compatibility. The easy installation means you won't spend much time setting it up. However, some users mention that the flow rate can drop if the filter becomes too clogged. But here's my perspective. This is a sign to change the filter, and the fact that it's designed to handle such contaminants makes it worth the effort to replace when needed. This is ideal for you if you want reliable filtration without the hassle of complex installation. Skip this one if you're looking for a filter that won't require attention for a long time. It's a great value for the quality you get. Now, if you're leaning towards a more recognized brand, let's talk about our last product. Product number 5, GE FXWTC Whole House Filter. Finally, we have the GE FXWTC Whole House Water Filter, priced at $11.96, with a solid 4.6-star rating from 3,800 reviews. This caught my eye for its brand reputation and affordability. If you want a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, this is a strong contender. With a 3-month lifespan and compatibility with various systems, it's straightforward to replace and maintain. That said, some users have reported that it may not handle heavy sediment loads as well as others. But honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic option for average households without extreme water quality issues. If you just need basic filtration, this should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and need decent filtration. Skip this one if you have heavily contaminated water sources. It's a great value for the quality you receive. So to quickly recap, the A.O. Smith filters are great for small households. Simpure offers durability. Membrane Solutions excels in heavy sediment situations. AquaBoon is easy to set up, while GE provides a great budget option. Whatever your needs, there's a filter here for you.